We'll guide you through how to convert image to text in Google Docs. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Open your device and connecting it to a stable internet connection. After that, open your preferred web browser and type drive.google.com into the address bar. Press Enter on your keyboard to visit Google Drive. Wait for the Google Drive homepage to load completely before continuing to the next step. Next, look at the left side of the Google Drive page and click the New button. A small menu will appear on the screen with several upload options. Select File Upload from the list to continue. Your file manager or browser window will open automatically. Browse through your device and locate the image file you want to convert into text. Click the image file once to select it, then confirm the upload process. Wait for the image to finish uploading to Google Drive completely before moving forward. After the upload is finished, locate the uploaded image inside your Google Drive storage. Right-click the image file to open additional options. Review the available menu carefully and hover your cursor over the Open With option. Another submenu containing several applications will appear on the screen. From the list of applications, select Google Docs. Google Drive will automatically create and open a new Google Docs page using the uploaded image file. Wait for the document to load completely before reviewing the result. Once the page opens, the uploaded image will appear at the top of the Google Docs document. Scroll down below the image and you will notice that Google Docs automatically extracts the text from the picture. The converted text will appear directly underneath the uploaded image inside the document. Take a moment to review the extracted text carefully. Check for spelling mistakes, formatting issues, missing words, or incorrect characters that may appear after the conversion process. Continue editing the document normally after reviewing the extracted text. You can copy the text, format it, or organize it however you want inside Google Docs. Done. Your image has been successfully converted to text in Google Docs.